Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 30th April. And first of all, national news. UGC NET postponed to June 18 to avoid clash with UPSC preliminaries. Supreme Court refused play seeking postponement of CA exam schedule in May. Rivals unable to take us on directly now spreading fake videos, PM Modi said. Landslides blocked Jammu Srinagar National Highway. Center informed Supreme Court of its 3,400 crore calamity relief to Karnataka. Court seat report. Repolling held peacefully at one booth in Karnataka's Chamrajanagar. And now some international news. Hamza Yusuf resigned as Scottish First Minister following days of political drama. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar appointed as Deputy Prime Minister. Spain's Prime Minister Sanchez said he'll continue in office after days of reflection. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken said Israel must still do more to boost humanitarian aid to Gaza. Australian Prime Minister described domestic violence as a national crisis after protest. And now some sports news. Thomas Cup. India sealed quarter-final berth with 5-0 win over England. PCB finalized Lahore, Karachi, Rawalpindi as venues for Champions Trophy. Archer Deepika Kumari re-inducted into Target Olympic podium scheme. India's Velavan Senthil Kumar won Batch Open Squash. Now news related to business. Around 20 critical mineral blocks to be put on sale by June end, Mines Secretary. Tata Motors tied up with South Indian Bank for commercial vehicle finance. ICICI Bank share climbed over 2% after quarter 4 earnings. HCL Tech share tumble over 6% after March quarter earnings. And science related news. AI deciphers ancient scrolls, help researchers find out where Plato is buried. A recent study showed that a little known planet about 110 light years away called K2 18b. And that's all in news. Thank you.